This is how our room looked before. I painted the walls white because I wanted a very minimal look, but clearly I didn't get to do much with it. This bed I had for like 12 years and it's completely broken. And I have this weird portable AC over there, this broken drawer that I took out, and foundation stains on the curtains. So yeah, everything is pretty much ugly. First, we cleaned and took out all of the furniture. We also got an AC system installed, and I put painter's tape all around the room. The paint color we chose is called Wind's Breath from Benjamin Moore. I really wanted a paint color that would make me feel calm and relaxed, so I went for an eggshell finish. And here I have my husband painting the entire room for me because I got tired. After painting, we built the bed and the furniture, but I didn't really record anything because I wasn't wearing my hijab and it was too hot. Here is our bed. I got this from Joss & Main in the color Zuma White. And I got this curtain from IKEA that I really like. It matches the bed and my walls perfectly. And I really like this tie that it comes with. I got this rug and this light fixture from Amazon. I also got a big round mirror from Target for only $70 and I want to put it up on top of that wall. I wanted some sort of art on our walls, so my sister and I painted one. This is how it turned out. I love all of the neutral colors. And we also added some floating shelves next to the mirror. That concludes my room makeover. I love how everything turned out, and I will list everything I got down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching!